Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. In today's video, I will show you how you can turn this simple WordPress admin dashboard to this one. You can see this looks quite perfect with a dark black background, and here you can see in admin you have different options. You can visit your site, log out, updates, notifications. Here is some preferences. You can disable or enable dark mode from here. Show screen option toggle. Here you can hide admin bar links. So when you enable it, you can see there is no admin link appears. Here it also shows you the notification for your updates. In the right sidebar you can see bunch of other options like you can rearrange them, change the colors of them, and at the top you can see I have added this logo and also I have added my site tagline. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to add this UiPress plugin into your WordPress website. For this you have to go to uipress.co. Here you can click on get UiPress. Now it will give you 4 different options: yearly, monthly, lifetime, and a light version which is free to use. But I will use this yearly plan. Now I will click on get started. Now here you have to add your email and click on continue. When you click on continue, another pop-up will appear where you have to add your card and account details and pay for this plugin, and then you will get a download link on your inbox. So here you can see I have received this email, and by clicking on download content it will redirect me to download page. So I can simply click on download to start download, but I have already downloaded the plugin, so I will go back to my site and now install the plugin. To install this plugin, hover over the plugins and click on add new. Now I will click on upload plugin and choose file. Here you can see UiPress Pro plugin. I will select it and click on install now. Now the plugin was successfully uploaded. Now I will click on activate plugin. As soon as you click on activate and the plugin will activate, the whole view of this dashboard will change. And here it is. Now you can see the plugins table section, and here in the right sidebar you can see admin menus looks fine. Now I will click on overview. So here is the first page. You can see it a landing page on your dashboard. Here you can see the logo of the plugin. Here you can search the menus, the links of WordPress admin toolbar, and here is the custom toolbar from this plugin. You can see a search bar. Here you have visit your site button. Here is create button. When you click on it, you can see the post page and media and anything that you want to add. Here click on your admin button and you can visit your site, log out, updates section, preferences section, and under this you can see the notification section. Now here first of all I will enable the dark mode, so I will enable it. Now you can see it will change. Now here you can also show screen options. I will disable it. Now hide admin bar links. You can see here is the left side the admin bar links, so I will disable them. Now it was gone. Now click on this cross button. Now next I will import a default template. You can see in this picture it look like that. Now when I click on import default template, and you can see the whole preferences was changed. Here you have to connect your Google account with your site. I will click on sign in with Google. Connect your account and click continue. Select your website and click on connect. Now scroll down. You can collapse them like that. I will also collapse them. I will collapse all these sections. Here quote of the day, Here is the site health, recent comments that you will see in here, and the recently published posts that you will publish on your website will appear here. Now next thing what I will do, I will go to settings, and under settings I will click on UiPress settings. I will click on it. Here you have the general settings. First of all, I will set dark mode as default, enable it. Next is the set the dark mode according to prefers color scheme. I will also enable it. Here you can also disable dark mode. Set overview page as home page. I will enable it, so when you log into your dashboard you will land on overview page instead of this dashboard page. Now here you can set custom page as home page. Next you can rename the UiPress. Here you can see the UiPress written on the top. I will change it to SoftAsia. Now I will also rename the plugin author. I will rename it to SoftAsia Tech. Next, you can change the UiPress plugin URL. You can redirect to your own website or any other page. If you have any referral link, so you can add this link here. Now here you can add app icon. Here you can see UiPress has an icon, so I will use my logo here. So I will click on it and I will choose an image from my media library. I will select my site logo and click on choose image. Here is the admin favicon for admin pages. For the admin favicon, I will select this image and click on choose image. Now here you can see hide UiPress from plugin tab table. If you enable it, UiPress will be hidden from the plugin table in the plugin section. So I will disable it. And hide footer. Here you can see in footer powered by WordPress and UiPress, you can disable it and add a custom text here. I will add powered by SoftAsia Tech. Keep in mind that this footer will only show in admin pages when you logged into your site. Now I will save the settings. Now here you can see the setting was saved but no changes appears. For this you have to refresh the site. Now you can see the logo and the name was changed. Also in the footer you can see this text was also not appears here. For this I have to disable this hide footer section. So now when I save the changes, this text will appear here on the place of default text. Now I will save settings again. You can see the setting was saved. Now refresh again. Now scroll down to the end of the page and here you can see you have this text that you have added here. Now in the next section after general settings you have menu settings. Click on it. Now here first of all you can disable admin menu module. When you click on appearance you can see menus, so it will disable this one and you only be able to create menus by default from this under this plugin setting. So I will not disable it. Now I will go to menu disable for. You can disable menus for a specific user. I will select subscriber and the menus will disappear for your subscriber. Now logo light mode. Here you can see you have this logo on the top. So for the light mode I will select my site logo and choose image. Now you can also select as another logo for a dark mode. So I will choose same logo again and choose image. Now scroll down. Here you can see load SoftAsia menu on front end. I will disable it. Only load SoftAsia menu on the front end for a specific user, but I have disabled here, so it will not work for any other user. Now collapse menu logo hide. So when you collapse it, you can see this logo will look different. So you can select a specific logo for this when you collapse this menu bar, but I will not select any of them. Now show site title in the menu. Here in the front of our logo, I will show my site logo. Now you can disable search bar. Here you can see the search bar which help you to search any menu. You can disable it, but I will enable it. Now set collapse menu as default. So if you enable this, the menu will default to the shrunk menu for users that haven't set a preference. It means that when you log into your site, these menus looks collapsed by default. Now go to top and save the settings. Now refresh the page. Now here you can see by default it was collapsed. I will open it, and here you can see your logo and site icon. Now next is toolbar. Go to toolbar. These settings work for this left toolbar. You can disable this toolbar module, but I will enable it. You can disable it for a specific user. I will disable it for subscriber. Now here you can see hide admin bar links on left side, but I will not hide them. Enable floating flyout toolbar, and you can disable this search icon, but I will enable it. You can disable this create button also, but I need this one. View website in new tab. So when you click on it, it will open on same tab, but after enabling it, it will open in a new tab. Disable view website button. You can also disable this button. Now next, load SoftAsia admin bar onto front end. This admin bar will appear on front end if you enable it, but I will never want to show it on my front end. Hide admin bar on front end. I will enable it. Disable notification center. I will not even enable it. Now post type available in search. You can select a specific post type for the search. You can select posts only, pages only, attachments, or uncheck them so the search bar will search everything. Now I will go back to the top and save the settings. Now the setting was successfully saved. Now I will go to theme. Here you can disable admin theme module, and here you can disable theme for a specific user, but I will leave them for now. Go to login, and here for the login I will select a logo. I will select this image and choose image. Now login background. You can select a background. I will select this background and choose image. Now I will again save the settings. The setting was successfully saved, and now I will refresh them. Now go to folders. Here you can disable for your media library, and here you have option to disable for a specific user. Now in the admin pages, here you can see disable custom admin pages. You can select admin page slug. Who can edit and create admin pages? You can select a specific user, and who can see admin pages. You can also select a specific user for there. Now go to users. Here you can see the user page disable option. You can also disable them, or user management page disable for a specific user, and these are some advanced settings that I will leave for now. Now the important thing that I want to show you is folders in media library. I will click on media and go to library. Now here you can see you have all these photos, and here you have some folders. You can create a new folder here. So I will create design and save. Now the folder was successfully created. To add images and other media files in it, just click on your image, scroll down. Here you can see file bar folder. Click on it and select category. Now it will automatically update. Just cross it, select next image, scroll down, click here and select the design category. Now cross it, go to next design logo, scroll down, select the category and cross it. Now I will select this one, click in the file bar folder and select the design category. Now I will cross it and go to design. Now you can see all the images added in this design folder. Now when I go to uncategorized folder, you can see the images were removed from here. Now go to overview, and overview looks like that. You can also select a custom range here for your site health, and if you have any analytics there, and here is some preferences. You can edit the mode, you can export this layout or import another layout, you can disconnect analytics, and many other bunch of other features. This plugin is very helpful if you have a client who doesn't know much about WordPress and you want to create a simple dashboard for them. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notification for our next videos about WordPress, in which I will give you some design tips about WordPress. Thanks for watching.